Hey everybody, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is leads. This is a good place to get leads. This is my website. We got direct mail leads and we got email leads. Any of them that you want to do. All you got to do is go to order form. I already got the window open. As you can see, we have direct mail leads. You can get 200 names and addresses for $28. As you can see, we got a sale here where everything is 20% off. You can get all the way up to 30,000 names and addresses or direct mail leads for $880. You could, if you want peel and stick, you just say right here, and click that box. Okay, count me in. Or if you want random nationwide zip codes, you can click that. Or if you want zip sorted codes, you can also get it via email. That's for the direct mail leads. Now, email leads, we got three different kinds of lists. We got the biz op seekers, which is just email addresses only. You see the prices here, all the way up to 100,000 email addresses. On list 2, we got opt-in biz op seekers. You get the email address plus first and last name. Then in list 3, or on list 3 rather, we got opt-in biz op seekers, email address plus first and last name and postal address. And the prices, you're not going to find this good quality amount of leads for these, unbelievable sale prices. It's just incredible, and they real, and people are making a lot of money with these leads. I kid you not. This is some real. These are some real powerful leads. Now, you can order directly from the site, which is this right here. Fill out your name, credit card information, continue to check out. That'll just give you a preview of your order on the next page once you do that. But if you want to do it through order form, you can click here to get the printable form, and you can either mail it in or fax it. But these, like I say, these is some real good leads, y'all. I'm telling you. And you see the sale we running here, and you're not gonna find this quality of leads for these incredible prices. So that's all I gotta pretty much say about this. But if you're looking for leads, just click my link below, and I'm also gonna put a link to my blog below that, so y'all can see all the marketing resources I got over there and opportunities that I'm involved in. It's all legit. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell, and y'all have a wonderful day.